All right. Yes. Field compaction. The field compaction depends on the weight of the ruler, no, and the number of passes of the ruler or the pison, no. Example is the pison. Relative compaction is given in specification for field compaction, which is the ratio of the field dry density to the maximum lab density, whereas the lab dry density is determined by standard or modified AH2 test. For example, 95% compaction of modified AH2 dry density, no? 95% is specified by the AH2. So this is the relative compaction. So there is relationship now between the dry density in the field. This is not filed, but this is field, no, field, long spelling. Relative compaction or percent compaction, that is the dry density in the field divided by the maximum dry density in the laboratory times the 100%. So the correlation between the relative compaction and the relative density can also be written as AT plus 0.2 times the relative dry density. And the typical required according to specification or standard, no, is 90% to 95%. So it is a statistical result based on 47 soil samples. So this is the result, is statistical result of the 47 soil samples as the relative density is equal to 0, so that the relative compaction is 80, no? Based on this formula. Right. Huh? Kalabaton.